Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 Bluetooth speaker or headphone paired but not connected. First method is type services in Uninstall search bar, click services. Open Bluetooth support service, change startup type to automatic, click start the service, click apply, click OK, restart the service. Now you can try to re-add the device. First remove device. Turn off and turn on Bluetooth. Click add device. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Bluetooth and Devices. Click Devices, click More Devices and Printer Settings. Right-click Connected Device, click Properties, click Services tab, select all services. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters, click Run under Bluetooth. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Bluetooth, right-click your Bluetooth device one by one, update driver. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Bluetooth, right-click Bluetooth, uninstall all devices one by one, after uninstall restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.